Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with SoFi for stock trading, beginner. To connect with SoFi for stock trading, start by visiting the SoFi website or downloading the SoFi app from your device's app store. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Enter your email address and create a unique password. Provide your personal information, including your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number for verification. Review and accept SoFi's terms of service and privacy policy. Complete any additional identity verification steps required by SoFi. After your account is set up, log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the investment section of the platform. If you're a first-time investor, consider taking advantage of any educational resources SoFi offers. To fund your account, link an external bank account by providing the necessary banking details. Choose the amount you'd like to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once the funds are available, go to the stock trading section. Browse through the available stocks or use the search bar to find specific stocks you're interested in. Select the stock you want to trade and click on it to view more details. Decide whether you want to buy or sell the stock. Enter the number of shares you wish to trade and review the order details. Choose your order type: market order, limit order, or others based on your strategy. Confirm your order and wait for the transaction to process. Check your portfolio to track your investments and review performance. Utilize SoFi's features to manage your trades and stay informed about market trends. Explore the community and forums for further insights and support from fellow investors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.